Hey everybody, Rob Hilditch here with Hardings Your Improvement Company, coming at you today with another Talk Up Tuesday, where we talk about our friends, vendors, guys we work with, people that make my life easier and our licensees easier doing their job at Hardings. Hello everyone, Rob Hilditch here again with Talk Up Tuesdays, coming at you just after the Easter long weekend. Happy belated Easter to everybody. Hope everybody had a great long weekend. Today I want to talk about Greener Grass, www.greenergrassltd.com. Phone number's 403-271-2111. They do everything grass, fertilizer, weed control, aerating, power raking, overseeding on acreages, commercial as well as residential. Craig and Carrie Jerdot do a great job, tremendous customer service, along with their team members, Don and Parker. They just do a really great job. Not only are they neighbors here at Hardings, but they do my own personal lawn, and I'm always impressed with what they do. One of the key value differentiations that they do is that, they always power rake after they've aerated, so all those little nubbins don't sit on your grass and look like, goose poop on your lawn. Anyways, hope everybody had a great Easter. Again, greenergrassltd.com. Check them out. I think you'll be really happy. Take care.